Danny Morales at DTM News Journal here with Luis Baboon Palomino after winning your fight in first round knockout here at CFA 11. First of all, how do you feel about getting the knockout tonight?
I'm excited. I feel great. It's the best feeling. There's no better feeling than knocking somebody out and watching them fall, man. I mean, I don't mean it in a bad way, but this is what I do. I'm a striker by heart, and there's no better feeling than watching somebody go down from my hand.
After your fight, you had a pretty intense celebration, if I may say so myself. A couple flips, jumped on the cage. Were you feeling good at that moment?
Yeah, I was feeling great, man. Back to my roots. I started out with capoeira, so a little capoeira celebration to show some love, and my whole hometown's here, my family, everybody, my trainers, my training partners. It was a great feeling. I came off a loss after a 4-5 win streak against big names like Crazy Horse, JC Cavalcante, and then I had like this loss and a decision that it was a boring fight, and coming back with a knockout doesn't get better than that.
Yeah, it definitely wasn't a boring fight tonight. Did it feel good winning it in front of the hometown fans here?
Yeah, I feel great, man. I think they definitely deserved it just as much as I did.
You said here at the press conference that you want a title. You don't care what title it is, you just want one.
Yeah, at the moment I'm holding 4 titles. I have two titles in the featherweight division. I have 2 titles in the lightweight division. Truth is, I don't like fighting 145. I don't like cutting all that weight. I told the champion here, the interim champion Soriano, that I would take his belt. The only reason why I said that is not to disrespect him. I don't respect no fighter. The only reason why I'm saying is because I want my rematch with Buscapé Firmino. Firmino took my belt from me. It was up for grabs, but it was really mine. I had been deserving it in the show. I've had that 4-5 win streak in the show at 155, beating all the top guys, and he grinded out a win. And they told me that if I won decisively, which I won with a knockout, that I would deserve my rematch. I deserve my rematch. Now, the promotion already says, Baboon, you deserve your rematch. Now, is Firmino going to give me my rematch? Now, that's where it comes. If Firmino does not give me my rematch, then I will take his little brother's belt.
All of us fight fans here are hoping you do get that rematch, Baboon. Is there anybody you want to thank out there, fight fan sponsors?
Yeah, to thank Rocked, Massages in Space, First Round Management, Palomino MMA, Monster DNA, Antibody, Body, Anti-Agent, Arancibia Bail Bonds, Hosteria Romana, America's Top Team, of course, all my trainers, training partners from ADT that helped me prepare for this fight. Thank you very much. My whole family, my training partners, all my friends and fans, thank you so much for coming.
All right. Thank you very much to Luis Palomino, and good luck moving forward.
For more from CFA 11 and the MMA world, visit DTMNewsJournal.com.